What if I told you that the single most common piece of health advice you've been following your entire life, drink more water, is actually incomplete, and after the age of 60, drinking plain water alone could be one of the reasons your skin is losing its firmness, your joints are aching more than they should, and your body is aging faster than it needs to? I know that sounds alarming, and it should, because what I'm about to share with you is backed by cutting-edge research in angiogenesis and nutritional science, and it has the potential to completely change how you think about hydration for the rest of your life. Stay with me, because in the next 20 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what to add to your water to activate your body's own collagen-building machinery, firm your skin from the inside out, and restore the vitality that most people assume is just a natural part of getting older. Let's start with something that most people over 60 have never been told, and that is the relationship between aging and collagen loss. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body. It is the structural scaffolding that holds your skin tight, keeps your joints cushioned, supports your blood vessels, and even maintains the lining of your gut. When you are young, your body produces collagen at a remarkable rate. But here is the hard truth. After the age of 25, collagen production begins to decline. By the time you reach 60, your body is producing roughly 50 to 60% less collagen than it did in your 20s. And this is not just about wrinkles. This is about the structural integrity of your entire body, your knees, your spine, your arteries, and yes, your skin. The visible signs, the sagging, the thinning, the loss of that healthy glow, are just the surface indicators of something much deeper happening inside. Now, here is where water comes in, and why plain water, while essential, is not doing the full job your body needs after 60. When you drink plain water, it does hydrate your cells, yes, but water alone cannot trigger collagen synthesis. It cannot provide the raw materials your fibroblasts, those are the cells responsible for making collagen, need to do their work. It cannot reduce the inflammation that breaks down existing collagen, and it cannot counteract the oxidative stress that accelerates the aging of your skin and connective tissue. So what does? The answer lies in a handful of specific, scientifically validated additions that transform your water from a passive beverage into an active collagen-supporting, skin-firming tonic. Let me walk you through each one of them. The first and most powerful addition you can make is marine collagen peptides. Now, I want to be clear here, because not all collagen supplements are created equal. Marine collagen, specifically type 1 collagen peptides derived from fish skin or scales, is the form of collagen that most closely resembles the collagen found in human skin. The molecular weight of marine collagen peptides is significantly smaller than bovine collagen, which means they are absorbed more efficiently through the gut lining and reach your skin cells faster and in higher concentrations. Multiple clinical studies, including a landmark trial published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology, have shown that supplementing with hydrolyzed marine collagen peptides for as little as 8 weeks leads to measurable improvements in skin elasticity, hydration, and the reduction of fine lines and wrinkles. But more than the cosmetic benefits, marine collagen peptides stimulate something called the fibroblast response. When these peptides are absorbed into your bloodstream, they signal your own fibroblasts to increase their collagen production. It is like sending a biological text message to your skin cells that says it is time to build and repair. The recommended approach is to stir 5 to 10 grams of hydrolyzed marine collagen powder into a large glass of warm or room temperature water every morning. Warm water helps the peptides dissolve completely and may enhance absorption in the digestive tract. But collagen peptides alone are only part of the equation, and this brings us to the second critical addition, vitamin C. Here is something that many people do not know. Collagen synthesis is entirely dependent on vitamin C. Without it, the biochemical process by which your body converts procollagen into functional collagen simply cannot happen. Vitamin C acts as a cofactor for 2 essential enzymes, prolyl hydroxylase and lysyl hydroxylase, that are required to stabilize the collagen triple helix structure. If your vitamin C levels are insufficient, your body will attempt to make collagen, but the result will be structurally weak and prone to rapid breakdown. The problem for many adults over 60 is that their vitamin C absorption efficiency from food tends to decline with age, And chronic low-grade inflammation, which is extremely common in older adults, rapidly depletes vitamin C stores. Adding a small amount of vitamin C powder, particularly the buffered form such as calcium ascorbate, or the liposomal form for enhanced bioavailability, directly to your collagen water in the morning creates a synergistic combination that is far more powerful than either ingredient alone. You do not need a massive dose. Research suggests that 200 to 500 milligrams of vitamin C per day is sufficient to maximize collagen synthesis, and taking it alongside your collagen peptides ensures they are working together at the same time in the same biological environment. Now let's talk about something that is often completely overlooked in conversations about skin health and collagen, and that is silica. Silica, also known as silicon dioxide, is a trace mineral that plays an absolutely critical role in collagen formation. It is the connector, the biological glue that links collagen and elastin fibers together in the skin's extracellular matrix. Without adequate silica, even if your body is producing collagen, that collagen cannot form the dense, organized mesh that gives skin its firmness and resilience. Research published in the Archives of Dermatological Research found that dietary silicon supplementation led to significant improvements in skin surface microrelief and skin mechanical properties, including elasticity and firmness. Silica levels in the human body naturally decline with age, which is one reason why hair becomes thinner, nails become more brittle, and skin loses its structural integrity in older adults. You can add silica to your collagen water in the form of bamboo extract powder or food-grade diatomaceous earth, both of which are rich bioavailable sources of silica. About half a teaspoon to a full teaspoon per day is a commonly used amount, though you should always consult with your physician before adding any new supplement to your routine, especially if you have kidney issues or are on medication. The next addition I want to discuss is one that will likely surprise you, and that is a small amount of tart cherry concentrate. Tart cherries are one of the richest natural sources of anthocyanins, a class of flavonoid antioxidants that are extraordinarily potent at neutralizing the free radicals that break down collagen. But what makes tart cherry particularly special for skin health is its unique combination of anthocyanins and natural anti-inflammatory compounds called COX inhibitors. Chronic low-grade inflammation, sometimes called inflammaging by researchers, is one of the primary drivers of accelerated collagen degradation in older adults. Every time your body mounts an inflammatory response, enzymes called matrix metalloproteinases, or MMPs, are activated. These enzymes essentially digest your existing collagen fibers. Tart cherry concentrate suppresses MP activity and reduces systemic inflammatory markers, which means your existing collagen survives longer while your body is simultaneously building new collagen with the help of the peptides and vitamin C you've already added. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons of unsweetened tart cherry concentrate stirred into your morning water alongside the other ingredients creates a genuinely functional, synergistic anti-aging drink. It also gives the water a pleasantly tart, slightly sweet flavor that makes the whole routine much more enjoyable and easy to maintain. Now I want to address something critically important that applies specifically to people over the age of 60, and that is the role of hyaluronic acid in skin hydration and collagen support. Hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring substance in your body that can hold up to 1,000 times its own weight in water. It sits within the extracellular matrix of your skin, essentially acting as a water reservoir that keeps your skin plump, cushioned, and hydrated from the inside. When hyaluronic acid levels are high, skin looks dewy, smooth, and youthful. When they decline, which they do dramatically after the age of 40 and even more so after 60, skin becomes thin, creased, and loses its ability to bounce back. The connection between hyaluronic acid and collagen is deeply synergistic. Hyaluronic acid creates the hydrated environment in which collagen fibers are most structurally stable and functionally effective. Think of it this way: collagen is the scaffolding, and hyaluronic acid is the water-rich cushion that surrounds and supports that scaffolding. Low molecular weight hyaluronic acid powder, which is specifically formulated for oral bioavailability, can be added to your morning water at a dose of around 100 to 200 milligrams per day. Studies, including a double-blind placebo-controlled trial published in Nutrition Journal, have shown that oral hyaluronic acid supplementation leads to significant improvements in skin moisture, suppleness, and the appearance of fine lines within 4 to 8 weeks of daily use. Let me also talk about zinc, because this mineral is another one that is profoundly underappreciated when it comes to collagen health and skin firmness. Zinc is required for the activation of collagen synthesizing enzymes in the skin, and it also plays a powerful role in protecting existing collagen from oxidative damage. Zinc deficiency is particularly common in adults over 60, largely because absorption of zinc from food decreases with age and because many medications commonly prescribed to older adults, including some blood pressure drugs and diuretics, interfere with zinc absorption or accelerate its excretion. Adding a small amount of zinc glycinate, a form of zinc that is gentle on the stomach and highly bioavailable to your daily routine, can make a measurable difference. You do not need to add zinc directly to your collagen water if you prefer not to, but taking it alongside your morning collagen drink ensures it is present in your system at the same time as the other collagen-supporting nutrients, allowing them all to work together in a coordinated biochemical cascade. At this point, I want to address one of the most common questions that comes up around this topic, and that is, can I get these benefits from food alone, or do I really need supplements? The honest answer is it depends, but for most people over 60, food alone is rarely sufficient to maintain adequate collagen production. Here is why. Bone broth, organ meats, and fish skin are the richest dietary sources of collagen and glycine, but the reality is that most people are not eating these foods regularly or in the quantities needed to make a significant impact on collagen levels. Vitamin C is available from citrus fruits and bell peppers, but absorption efficiency varies, and stress, inflammation, and certain medications deplete it faster than food alone can replenish it. Silica is found in oats, bananas, and some mineral waters, but bioavailability is inconsistent. This is why the targeted bioavailable supplement approach added to your water as a daily ritual is so powerful. It removes the guesswork and ensures that your body has exactly what it needs in the right amounts and forms every single day. I also want to take a moment to talk about what you should stop putting in your water, or at least drastically reduce, because the wrong additions can actively accelerate collagen breakdown. Excessive sugar, even in the form of sweet-flavored drink packets or high-sugar juice, drives a process called glycation, in which sugar molecules attach to collagen fibers and make them stiff, brittle, and dysfunctional. This process, called the formation of advanced glycation end products, or AGEs, is one of the most well-documented mechanisms of skin aging in modern biochemical research. Artificial sweeteners, while calorie-free, have been shown in some studies to disrupt the gut microbiome, and since a significant portion of collagen biosynthesis is influenced by gut health and the gut-skin axis, this is not a trivial concern. Tap water that contains high levels of chlorine and fluoride may interfere with some nutrient absorptions, and filtering your water before using it as the base for your collagen drink is a simple step worth considering. Now let me give you the complete practical morning routine that brings all of this together so you can start implementing it today. Begin with 300 to 500 milliliters of filtered water, either at room temperature or slightly warm. Add 5 to 10 grams of hydrolyzed marine collagen peptides. Stir in 200 to 500 milligrams of buffered or liposomal vitamin C. Add 1 tablespoon of tart cherry concentrate, unsweetened. Mix in approximately 100 milligrams of low molecular weight hyaluronic acid powder, if you have chosen to include it. Take your zinc glycinate supplement alongside this drink. If you are adding silica, include half a teaspoon of bamboo extract powder. Stir thoroughly and drink it first thing in the morning, ideally before eating. This creates a fasted state absorption environment that allows the collagen peptides and micronutrients to reach your bloodstream more efficiently before food digestion begins to compete for resources. Consistency is the most important factor here. The scientific literature consistently shows that the benefits of collagen supplementation are cumulative, building significantly over 8 to 12 weeks of daily use. A single glass will not transform your skin overnight, but a daily habit sustained over 2 to 3 months produces results that are genuinely visible and measurable. One more thing I want to address before we wrap up: the impact of sleep on all of this. Growth hormone, which is the primary hormonal driver of collagen synthesis in adults, is secreted in the highest quantities during deep sleep, particularly in the first few hours after you fall asleep. If your sleep quality is poor, which is extremely common in adults over 60, your body's ability to capitalize on the collagen-building nutrients you are consuming is significantly diminished. This means that alongside your morning collagen drink, investing in sleep hygiene is not optional, it is foundational. Avoiding screens for an hour before bed, keeping your sleeping environment cool and dark, and considering magnesium glycinate as an evening supplement to support deep sleep are all evidence-based strategies that will amplify the results you get from your collagen water ritual. Here is what I want you to take away from everything we have covered today. Plain water, while essential and irreplaceable, is simply not equipped to address the specific collagen and skin-firming needs of an aging body. By upgrading your daily hydration with marine collagen peptides, vitamin C, silica, tart cherry concentrate, and hyaluronic acid, you are providing your body with the exact biological toolkit it needs to rebuild structural proteins, reduce inflammation, and protect existing collagen from premature breakdown, all from a single glass of water every morning. The science is clear, the protocol is practical, and the results, when approached with consistency, are real. If you found this information valuable and you want to take control of how you age from the inside out, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you never miss an evidence-based health video like this one. Hit the like button to help this information reach more people who need it. And drop a comment below telling me which edition from today's video you are most excited to try, or let me know what topic you want me to cover next. Your health does not have to decline with age. With the right knowledge and the right daily habits, your best years can absolutely still be ahead of you.